In 2026, the Indian automotive scene has been a whirlwind of excitement lately, with fresh models and cutting-edge tech popping up left and right, all clamoring for a piece of the action. For a while, though, one familiar name has been missing from the conversation: Ford. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel World Car List. Please subscribe us. The American automaker, once a staple with its tough-as-nails SUVs and clever innovations, pulled the plug on its beloved EcoSport, leaving Indian drivers with a sense of something unfinished. But hold on to your hats, Ford's gearing up for a grand re-entry, and they are bringing along a brand new SUV that's set to take over where the EcoSport left off, tailor-made for the Indian roads and beyond. Ford's history in India hasn't been a straight shot to the top. It's been more of a winding road, paved with highs like the EcoSport's early success and lows that taught them a thing or two about what Indian drivers really want. This time around, they're not just dusting off an old playbook, they're rewriting it. The new SUV isn't some off-the-shelf model with a quick tweak. It's being crafted from scratch with emerging markets like India and South America in mind. Think of it as Ford taking everything they've learned, mixing it with a hefty dose of local flavor, and building a ride that can handle everything from chaotic city streets to rugged backroads. Picture this: you're weaving through the madness of Delhi traffic or cruising along the misty hills of Kerala, and heads are turning. That's the vibe Ford's chasing with this new SUV. The outside is a stunner, stacked LED daytime running lights slicing through the haze, paired with a grille that practically dares you to look away. It's got that modern edge, sharp and sleek, but it's not all show. The black wheel arch cladding and sculpted lower doors give it a gritty, go-anywhere attitude. It's the kind of look that fits just as well in a parking lot as it does on a dirt trail, promising style and substance in equal measure. Now, step inside, and it's a whole different world. If the EcoSport's interior ever felt a bit barebones, Ford's flipping the script here. You've got a 360-degree camera that makes squeezing into tight spots feel like a game, a digital instrument cluster popping with bright, clear info, and a big ol' infotainment touchscreen that's your hub for everything: maps, tunes, you name it. No more fumbling with cords either. Wireless charging keeps your gadgets juiced, and with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, your phone hooks up smoother than ever. It's less like a car cabin and more like a cozy, high-tech lounge you won't want to leave. What's powering this beast? Under the hood, it's likely sitting on the VX 772 platform, ready to roll with petrol or diesel options. The star of the show could be a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, small enough to keep fuel costs in check, punchy enough to make driving fun. Word on the street is Ford might even go all in with a custom-built platform and powertrain, knitting everything together for a ride that's slick and reliable. For anyone who's ever cursed a breakdown on a dusty highway, that's music to the ears, a vehicle that's as dependable as it is a blast to drive. But let's not kid ourselves, Ford's wading into a shark tank. The compact SUV game in India is no joke, with big players like the Hyundai Venue, Maruti Brezza, Kia Sonet, Mahindra XUV 300, and Tata Nexon already duking it out. These aren't just cars, they are mini legends with fans who swear by them, blending style, tech, and wallet-friendly prices. Ford's got to bring more than a pretty face to this fight. They are banking on a combo of jaw-dropping design, next-level features, and a drive that feels just right, aiming not just to play the game but to change it, giving folks a solid reason to pick them over the pack. And this SUV, it's only the opening act. Ford's dreaming big for India, lining up a roster that's got something for everyone. There's the Ford Ranger, a rugged pickup for the wild at heart, and the Mustang Mach-E, an all-electric stunner that's pure future vibes. The next-gen endeavors on deck too, ready to mix luxury with serious capability. Oh, and keep an eye out for whispers of an affordable electric vehicle. Ford's shot at making green driving a reality for the masses. It's not just a comeback, it's a full-on takeover, with plans to stick around and win over a whole new generation. The buzz is real as Ford gets ready to pull the curtain back on this new SUV. Car buffs and everyday drivers alike are itching to see how this American heavyweight tackles India's tricky terrain, both on the roads and in the market. With a laser focus on fresh ideas, designs that put people first, and a promise of top-notch quality, Ford's looking like it's got the chops to make waves. Sure, the path ahead's got its bumps, but Ford's got a knack for bouncing back stronger. For anyone who's been holding out hope for their return, this could be the moment it all pays off. Buckle up, India's driving future just got a lot more thrilling.